Hello and welcome to our latest case study. And today we're going to be talking about how we help a home decor brand increase their sales and ROAS with Facebook advertising. So before partnering with us, they've been relying with the on a mix organic and paid marketing efforts to drive sales and traffic to their website. However, there's a lot of challenges that were hindering their success. So that includes the limited reach and visibility they don't have, or lack of targeted marketing, also low conversion rates. And to overcome those challenges and improve their advertising efforts, we develop a targeted and effective campaign strategy for this brand. So we use a variety of ad formats, including the carousel, here Carousel, a collection ad, and a catalog, but in a carousel format. We found out that after the testing period, the catalog using a carousel format actually performed really well. So we keep on duplicating this setup and format, and just continue scaling the campaign's budget. For the targeting, we tested a lot of different categories for this one, and we found out that stacking similar categories in one ad set actually work at this ad account. So we did the same thing for the retargeting, since there's a smaller audience for the warm and hot audience. So basically, the after testing on the interest-based targeting, all of those winning interests are being stacked on a CBO campaign, and that's the time we scale it slowly and then gradually by 20% every 3 to 5 days. So the results of our campaigns are very impressive. So that's 1.78 from July to September 30, but then we managed to help them increase it to 6.38. So that's before we managed them. In addition to driving sales, our campaigns also help developers increase their website traffic. That's 80% and traffic and brand awareness. The average order value also increased by 9%. As you can see, our targeted and effective campaigns help developers to achieve impressive results and significantly improve their advertising efforts. So we're proud to be played a role in this brand success and look forward to continue to work with them in the future. So thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about how we can help your business grow with FB ads or Facebook advertising, don't hesitate to contact us.